If you want to take anything to a higher possibility, first thing is to purify. Without purification, you cannot do anything better than the way it is right now.
And that's a fact. Because you will remain the same person, you will remain at the same level until you clean up your act. You gotta understand that until you clean up maybe those bad habits that you have, you're gonna continue to make them. Continue to create that lifestyle, which then creates this life, this version of you. You gotta clean up. You gotta face those demons. You know what I'm saying? Because some of you can't even stop masturbating. Some of you lack so much discipline that you can't stop masturbating. But I'm gonna be real with you, I don't think it's your fault. Because you don't understand that it's a demon attacking you. You don't think it's weird that you can't even control your mind, that sometimes you aren't even in a place that has anything sex related in it, but a thought about sex pops in your mind. You don't think it's weird? It's a demon putting that. It's a demon whispering in your ear. And that's why I had to go on NoFap, because you got to understand that if you can't stop masturbating, if your sexual energy controls you to the point where anytime it pops in your head, you have to give in immediately. You're addicted. You're an addict. This thing controls you. You got to understand that if you love your sexual energy that much, if you lust for it that much, the devil can tempt you at any time. All the devil has to do is just put a beautiful woman right in front of you. And you're going to give in. You're going to do anything he says or she says, whatever it says. It's a demon attacking you. I think it's just... it's crazy. I think now since you are conscious of the fact that it's a demon attacking you, you have no excuse. You have to join the movement. Join the Discord. Join the School of Gods. Join. Be on NoFap with me. This is only day 6. Only day 6. And I feel so much mental clarity. So much mental clarity. You know what I'm saying? Like, I had to look around in my surroundings. You know what I'm saying? If you don't like your life, make sure you look around in your surroundings, bro. Do you like what you see? I had to look around. I saw a dirty room. I saw a messy room. I saw a dirty car. My hair was dirty. So I dedicated my whole Thanksgiving to cleaning, to cleansing, to getting rid of all that dirt, to purify, as Sadhguru said. My desk was cluttered because my mind was cluttered. How can I achieve all the things that I say I want to achieve if my mind is in the midst of chaos? That's exactly what a demon wants. You know what I'm saying? It wants chaos. It just wants turmoil. Isn't that crazy? It's amused by you ejaculating over and over again. Ejaculating your semen, your life force energy. You can create a whole child with this. A whole child that can grow up to manifest anything it chooses to. A God. But it's crazy is that God can't reach its unlimited potential if that God is expelling all of its life force energy. But that's what the demon wants. That's what they want. They want you to continue to be this lower version of yourself. Continue to watch porn. Continue to want to have sex. Continue to waste your seed instead of keeping it inside of you. Because if you kept it inside of you, that demon couldn't even latch on to you. It's like you have a force field around you because you're so powerful. They always say that, you know, Satan trembles at the name of God. You know what I'm saying? If that's the case, why? If God is everything and I am in that everything, then I am a part of God. So I have the same abilities as God. So why? Why do you all tremble at this demon? Why do you give in to this demon? I know you're stronger than that. I know you're stronger than that. Like I said, I don't think it's your fault at all. It's not your fault. You just weren't aware of it. But I'm making you conscious right now. So now you have no excuse. Join the movement. Go on NoFap. I just want you to be a better version of yourself. I don't want your money. These videos don't even get monetized. I put this copyrighted music in the background every single time. You know what I'm saying? I don't care. Just join the Discord. That's it. I just want to see a bunch of gods grow up. You feel me? That's it. I just want to see people achieving greatness. You know what I'm saying? Like, because that is what satisfies me. That's what brings me joy, is seeing beauty, is seeing love. You know what I'm saying? And you can only create beauty if you love it. You know what I'm saying? Something could be ugly to somebody else, but it can be beautiful to somebody else. You know what I'm saying? Because there's something about that thing that it makes them love it. The motto of my country will be, you can do anything with love. You know what I'm saying? And because I know the argument is, you know, oh, that means you can kill somebody, because you can kill somebody out of love. And it's like, no, you can't do that, because that wasn't truly out of love. I think that was more out of ego, because I feel like it's life itself. All you want to do is see life itself prosper. You just want to see it evolve and innovate. To innovate and evolve, that would be on the flag. To innovate and evolve, you know what I'm saying? That's it. To grow, to just continue to evolve. Why do we subject ourselves to this cage when we are so great? It's crazy, because I was driving home yesterday and I saw this family. I saw them going. They were in the playground and they were just watching their kid just on the slide. And I'm like, bring that child to the jungle. Bring that child outside where it can truly be free, because you have this child in this playground. It's having fun, apparently, right? It's living its best life. Hell no, it ain't living its best life, because it's still in a cage. There's still a fence around it. There should be no limits to where that child can go. So society puts that limit on you. That speed limit, put that limit on you. You can go to infinity and beyond, but you gonna go to the speed limit. It's just like you're subjecting yourself to a cage. I know that there's a lot of people out there that just don't want to live in that cage. I know there's a lot of people out there that just can't live in that cage. I work at this job, and every single day I hate it more and more. And you know what? I love it, because that hatred is motivating me to become one of the best Forex traders ever. My entries are amazing, and I'm having a class this Sunday, actually. So if you want to be a part of that class, join the Discord. Skin in the School of Gods. I have an event on there. You can sign up, and it tells me how many people are going to be there. I say it's just motivation. I just want to see all of y'all break out, so that way we can all just be free in paradise. Heaven on earth can be a real thing. It doesn't have to look like this. I promise you. Join the Discord.